Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn a Canva design into an editable template link. This way, anyone can use your design as their own copy without changing your original work. This means you can sell your templates and let people customize them without any risk to your original designs. First, it's important to understand the difference between a template link and a collaboration link. A collaboration link lets other people access and potentially edit your original design. As you probably know, you can access it through the share button up here, then add an email address of someone you want to invite as a collaborator, or change the access settings and copy the link. But a template link gives other people the option to make their own copy and then edit it however they want without affecting your original design. Using the wrong link can cause big problems, so now I will show you exactly how to do it. First, let me make a copy of this design so I will know it's a template and I won't make any changes to it in the future. I will go to File right here, then click on Make a Copy, and now I will add template to this design's name. If you want to be extra organized, you can also create a specific folder just for templates and move all your designs that are live templates there so you will know not to make any changes to those designs. Alright, now we are ready to create the template link. I will go to Share, then click on See All right here, then look for the template link button. It says that anyone with the link can use this design as a template, sign-in is required, but you won't know who has made copies of this design. And this link can be deleted at any time. By the way, if you delete a template link, it will also make the URL inactive. If you make a new template link, it will create a new URL. So now click on Create Template Link and you will see your link right here. You can now copy it and use it wherever you need. You will also see here that the template link is live. Now, if you're new to selling digital products, you might not know that buyers must receive at least one downloadable file with their purchase. You can't just send them a link to your template. To make sure your customers get the link to your template, I create a PDF and embed the link in the PDF. This way, customers can just click on the link, add the PDF, and access their template. Let's get back to Canva and I'll show you exactly how I do it. Once you're in Canva, create a design that will serve as a thank you message for your customers after they purchase your template. Now, let's embed the template link into this design by creating a clickable button. First, I will hit R on my keyboard to create a rectangle, and I will adjust its size so it will look like a button. I will round the corner a bit and change the color to match the rest of my design. Then I will add a text. Click here to edit. I will make the text bold and increase the size so the text will stand out. Next, I will embed the template link. I will go back to the template design, click on Share, then copy the template link. Return to the thank you design, select the button I just created, and I will press Command and K on my keyboard. Or you can right-click and choose Link. Then paste the copied link, click Done, and Done again, and the text appears with an underline, so I will click here to remove it. Finally, download your design as a PDF, click Share, then Download, choose PDF Standard and hit Download. This PDF will be what your customers receive after purchasing your template. All they need to do is to click on the button to open the template in Canva. Then select Use Template for New Design to start editing without affecting your original design. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want even more exclusive tips and early updates before anyone else, join my free newsletter. I'll see you in the next video.